Hello friends, hope all of you are fine, and I hope all of your plants are also in good condition and you're maintaining your garden also in a nice way. So I've done some plant shopping this weekend. Actually during the weekend I get some time to go to the nurseries and buy some plants. So I thought of making this video for you because yesterday I visited Patuli nursery, which is located near bypass. I bought some Ixora plants and indoor plants yesterday, and today morning I went to Bortola plant shop. Actually for the last few weeks I'm buying some hibiscus plants from a plant seller who has a shop at Bortola Santoshpur Bazaar. So I am buying some hibiscus plants on a regular basis at very cheaper rates. So I will tell you about the prices also. And so this Starlot ficus hibiscus plant, I bought it from Bortola today. This plant I wish to have it in my collection, but I was not having it, so I thought of bringing it today. I got it at 100 rupees, and I placed some order for Australian hibiscus from this plant seller of Bortola, and he bought some lovely colors of Australian hibiscus. Although I'm not able to show the colors to you now, but I selected the plants after seeing the flowers. He has shown me the pictures. So this one is a very large pink colored hibiscus with a red center. So you all know that Australian hibiscuses are having very large flowers, bright showy flowers, and this one is a yellow variety of Australian hibiscus that I bought today. This one also has very large yellow petals. This one is another variety of Australian hibiscus, and this is the fourth variety. So I placed order for 4 kinds of Australian hibiscus, and he brought it today. And this plant I was not planning to buy it, but I found that the flowers are blooming and they are very beautiful. So I asked the man that what kind of plant it is. He told that this is Bangalore variety of hibiscus, and I got them at 100 rupees. This is also an Australian variety of hibiscus. I got the Australian varieties of hibiscus at 180 rupees, but they are generally 200 to 250 rupees. But as I'm a regular customer, I buy many plants from him. That's why he gave me at cheaper rates. This is a pink variety of Ixora. This I got at 100 rupees. Now I'm going to show you the various plants that I bought from Patuli nursery yesterday. Patuli nursery, the plants which are available over there, the price is generally on the higher side. They're a bit expensive, but as it is located close to my home, that's why I visit these nurseries often. You can see an unusual variety of Ixora here. I got this plant at 120 rupees. He was asking for 150. Finally I bargained and I got it at 120 rupees. And these are devil's backbone plants. These are basically indoor plants, but they can be kept in the shady terrace also. I got them at 60 rupees each. I brought 3 bleeding heart plants also yesterday. Last year I brought 3, but all of them couldn't survive during the winter. That's why I plan to bring 3 more. Now let me see what happens. I've got the bleeding hearts at 70 rupees each. And this is a pink colored Ixora that I brought from Patuli nursery. So these are the various plants that I purchased yesterday and today. Yesterday I bought from Patuli nursery, and today I went to this Bortola plant seller and I bought from him. Actually his nursery and his house is located at Shikharpur. He brings all these hibiscus and all these rose plants also I bought from him a few weeks back. He actually has his nursery in Shikharpur, so all these plants he brings from Shikharpur. So I asked this man to come to my house and maintain my rose and hibiscus plants. So he has told me that he will come 4 times in a month, and he will maintain the various rose and the hibiscus plants so that they give me more blooms, because I don't know the exact way to maintain them. So I hope you're enjoying watching my new plant nursery visit channel. Have a nice time everyone. Thank you so much.